Hi friends, welcome to my video. Thank you for tuning in today. Today's video is about a full moon ritual. I made this video because I found these rituals to be very powerful, and the ritual connected me to nature and gave me an appreciation for the moon on a new level. I hope doing this will do the same for you. I was skeptical at first, but once I tried it, I knew it was a good thing. At least for me anyway. Most cultures have their own interpretation of the moon, the full circle without blemish, a symbol of tranquility and perfect truth is what the moon symbolizes for the Buddhists, which leads us on to today's ritual. Today we'll get a small flavor of some things that you might want to try for yourself, and pick one or two that speaks to you and makes you feel like this is something you want to do. You could start with a walk and in the twilight and watching the sun go down and thinking and reflecting on the weeks that have passed. Sometimes I also like to meditate, and this is a time to reflect and connect. Then I will light some candles, and I will light some smudge, and it is a bundle of herbs, or in this case a stick of smudge. This releases anything in the space and prepares the space for your ritual ahead. Once you are ready, you can start to write a list of things that are on your mind that you're ready to release. For example, I release, I'm not, or I'm, whatever it is, whatever comes up for you, write it on your list. So the idea is to write a list of I release and then whatever it is that you want to release, and it can be literally anything. Once your list is complete, once you have really gone to the depths and the bottoms and you've released everything you can possibly think of, you write a sentence or a small paragraph at the end of your list. And I will leave this paragraph on the screen so you can pause the video just to write a note of this. Once you've written this paragraph, sometimes you can choose to read out loud your list and release them, or you can burn them. I like to write out the paragraph and keep one twice and keep one copy for myself, so while it's burning I can read out the paragraph. This helps empower me and really get connected to what I'm releasing, and I feel then ready to really release on a new level. Once the list is completely burned, and really completely burned, then the ritual is complete. You may sit for a little while and contemplate on what you've just released and what you've created, and be ready, because it's released, to really just be ready to create and enjoy this moment of being free. Please remember to be very careful when you're burning your list, to burn it somewhere where it can be safe. Okay, that's the end of the ritual. I hope you have enjoyed it. Right guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope that you have gained something from the video. Please leave a comment below of any rituals that may help us during this time, or any full moon rituals that you have found beneficial in your life. I'm sure we'd be delighted to hear what they are, or to read what they are, should I say. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, and happy being creative. Bye!